Good morning, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome to the English class. Today we will learn letter Q. What we will learn today? Letter Q. Q says quer. So before starting reading part, let's have a story of letter Q. The queen loved to eat quail. The queen quickly ate some quail. The queen ate the quail quietly. It was quite good. The queen loved quince juice too. The queen drank quarts of juice. The queen quenched her thirst. It was quite sweet. How was the story, kids? Hope you have enjoyed it. Let's come to the reading part. This is letter Q. Which letter is this? Q. Q says quer. Q says quer. And now come, who is this sleeping in a bed? Oh, she's a queen. Who is this? Queen. She is sleeping. And what is this of red color? Oh God, it's a quilt. Yes, it's a quilt. It's on the queen. And look at here. What are these? These are ants. And where are they? They are on the pipe of the bed. Right? And they all are moving in a queue. Queue means they all are moving in a line. And what do we say this? That you are to move in queue. In school also, ma'am always tell you that you all have to move in a line. It means you have to move in a queue. Am I right? Yes. Now, let's come to the sounds of the pictures which I have told you. She is a queen, and when we are saying queen, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is qua. Which sound is coming? Qua. And qua is the sound of which letter? Q. Qua is the sound of which letter? Q. And what she is holding? What is on her? It's a quilt. What is it? Quilt. Red color quilt, right? And when we are saying quilt, the sound that is coming first from our mouth is qua. And qua is the sound of letter Q. And how the ants are moving? They all are moving in a queue. And Q starts with which sound? Qua. And qua is the sound of letter Q. And what is it? It's a quail. It is a kind of bird. As we have parrot, peacock, pigeon, hen, in the same manner we have a bird called quail. And this is quail. And when we are saying quail, which sound is coming? Tell me first. I have told you the sound of Q. Yes. When we are saying quail, the first sound that is coming from our mouth is qua. And qua is the sound of which letter? Q. Okay. Now let me tell you how to read the pictures. Okay. Let's start. Q says qua. Speak with me. Q says qua. Q qua queen. Q qua quilt. Q qua quail. Q qua queue. And you all should move in a queue. Okay, now let's come to the written part. This is letter Q. As I have always told you that whenever you are doing tracing, first you are to trace with your finger. So take out your pointer finger, everyone. I have taken out mine. Now let's start tracing with finger. Start from here. As we have made letter O, in the same manner we are to trace this letter Q also, and afterwards make a slant line. Okay, let me show you again. Start from under the line, go up, make a curve, touch it here, lift the pencil and make a slant line. Now let's trace it with the help of pencil. Start from here, make a curve like this. Slowly join all the dots like this. Yes. Now lift the pencil, go inside the O and come out in a slant position. Okay, let me show you again. Start from here, under the line, go up, make a curve, join it here and keep pencil inside the O. Now your O is ready. Now keep it inside and bring it out in a slant position. This is letter Q. Now let's trace it here under the 4 lines. As I have told you earlier that we are to start from where? Under the line, below the line. Okay, start from here, go up, touch the red line, come down, make a curve, touch the blue line and join it. Now keep pencil inside it and come out. One thing you have to take care of is you are not to start from here. Some students start making slant line from outside and they come out. No, it should be in between these 2 lines from here. Okay. Now let me show you again. As I have told you, from where we are to start. From under the line, go up, touch the red line, make a curve, touch the blue line, go up and join it. Now make slant line like this. Let me show you how to make letter Q without dots. As I have told you earlier that we are to start from under the line. So we are to start from here. Okay. Start from under the line, go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line and go up. Now from where we are to make slant line? From here or here? Inside it from here and make slant line come out. Your slant line should not exceed blue line. It should not pass it over here. Okay, till blue line you have to make. Let's do it again. Start from here, go up, make a curve, touch the line, touch the blue line, go up and touch it, join it here. Now make slant line from inside and come outside in a slant position. Do not cross blue line, otherwise it will be wrong. I hope you have understood how to read and how to write letter Q, and you are going to follow all the instructions told by me. You have to do this work in your book. That's all from my side today. Bye-bye.